I'm your geography teacher. So students, today we are going to learn the first chapter of geography, the earth and the graticles. As you see here, this is a figure number 1.1. This is a world map. On this world map you can see here are some children. Let's take their introduction. This is Enrique from Lima, South America. This is Graham from St. Petersburg, Europe. This is Natalia from Rome, Europe. This is Katia from Kimberley, Africa. This is Shahid from Agra, Asia. This is Meenakshi from Port Blair, Asia. And this is Michiko from Tokyo, Asia. So students, observe the figure number 1.1 and answer the following questions. The first question is, which places are shown on the map? Yes, we can see here Agra. Also, we can see here are 7 continents and some oceans. Continents are North America, South America, Africa, Antarctica, Europe, Asia and Australia. And oceans are Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, etc. The next question is, in which city is the Taj Mahal located? Yes, Taj Mahal is located in Agra city. Now, in which direction is the Taj Mahal located for Graham in St. Petersburg? Yes children, can you give me the answer? Okay, for Graham, the Taj Mahal is located in southeast direction. In southeast direction for Graham. For Katia in Kimberley, the Taj Mahal is located in northeast direction. For Michiko from Tokyo, the Taj Mahal is located in southwest direction. And for Meenakshi from Port Blair, the Taj Mahal is located in northwest direction. Shahid in Agra is specifying the directions in which other lives. How will he express them? So let's see. For Shahid, Enrique is live in southwest direction. Graham is live in northwest direction. Natalia also lives in northwest direction. Now for Shahid, Katia lives in southwest direction. Meenakshi lives in southeast direction. And for Shahid, Michiko is live in northeast direction. Now students, in what direction will Natalia in Rome and Enrique in Lima say the other child lives? Will their answer be same? No, their answers will be different. There will be no same answer. Now students, Graham, Katia, Michiko, Natalia, Meenakshi, Shahid and Enrique have answered the above questions differently using direction and subdirection. The Taj Mahal is located at one and the same place. and that is Agra. However, when each one of the children told the direction from their respective places, their answers were different. This means that the use of direction alone does not help us to accurately describe the location of a place. That is why it becomes necessary to find a new system to state the precise location of any place on the earth. Let's see what is it. Observe the globe in your school. Think about the following question and then discuss them. There are some vertical and horizontal lines on the globe. Which of these lines are more in numbers? Yes, children, can you guess which lines are more and which lines are less in the number? Okay. Longitudes are more in numbers and latitudes are less in numbers. There are total 360 longitudes and 181 latitudes on the globe. So next question is, what labels do these lines have? What similarities and differences do you see in the labels? So children, we can see here are North Pole and South Pole, West direction and East direction. Also we can see some vertical and horizontal lines. Geographers stress horizontal lines as latitude and vertical lines called longitudes across Earth's surface on the globe. Then we can see a big horizontal line called equator. An equator is an imaginary line around the middle of a planet at 0° latitude. Then we can see big vertical line called prime meridian. The prime meridian is the imaginary line used to indicate 0° longitude. Now the last question is, will it be possible to actually draw such lines on the earth? What do you think, students? Is it possible to draw longitude and latitude practically on earth? No, it is not possible practically to draw this latitude and longitude on earth. So the latitude and longitude are imaginary lines. Thank you for watching this audio visual presentation.